Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play Farming Simulator 22 on PC. First, you'll need to install the game from a platform like Steam or Epic Games. Make sure your computer meets the minimum specifications, which typically include a 4-core processor, 8 GB of RAM, and a dedicated graphics card with at least 2 GB of RAM. Once installed, launch the game and navigate to the Options menu to fine-tune your display and control settings for the best experience. The core gameplay loop involves cultivating fields, planting various crops, and then harvesting them when they are ready. You'll use your keyboard for vehicle control, typically WASD, and the mouse for camera movement and interacting with menus. Selling your harvested goods at the best market prices is crucial for earning money, which you then reinvest into new machinery, larger fields, or animal husbandry. As your farm grows, you'll want to acquire more advanced equipment. A larger tractor might cost around 100,000 in-game currency, significantly boosting efficiency. Consider buying new fields, which can range from 10,000 to over 200,000, depending on size. Diversifying into animal farming, such as raising dairy cows or wool-producing sheep, provides additional income streams and new challenges. To maximize profits, pay close attention to market fluctuations. Selling wheat when prices are high can yield 20% more income. The game's Mod Hub offers thousands of free modifications, adding new vehicles, maps, and gameplay features. For example, a popular mod might introduce a new brand of tractor with 300 horsepower. Playing with friends in multiplayer mode allows for cooperative farming and shared responsibilities.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.